Good morning, everyone. Today I want to speak about something that concerns every one of us. The state of our environment for years with her warning about pollution, climate change, deforestation, and the loss of biodiversity. But these are no longer distant threats. They're happening now all around us. We see it the record-breaking heat waves, in the flood washing away homes, in the wildfires destroying forests and wildlife. We see it the ocean where marine life is cooking of plastic. We see it our own communities where the air is hidden to breathe and clean water is coming scarce. But how did we get here? The truth is we're taking more from the earth than we'd given back. We're born fossil fuels relentlessly, cut down millions of trees, and allow industries to pollute the land, air, and water, all in the name of progress. But what good is progress if it costs out the planet? The good news is, it's not too late. We can still make a difference, but we can act now. It's of one can take a step, reducing waste, conserving water and energy, choosing sustainable products, planting trees, and using public transport. But we want our individual action. We must demand bigger changes, stronger environment policies, investment in renewable energy, and protection for our natural ecosystem. We must educate ourselves and others, especially the younger generation, because the fight to save our planet doesn't belong to one person or one country. It belongs to all of us. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Let's return it to them better than we found it. Thank you.